Janet Mbabu, chairman wa Salute B wahiko mwanya ogu yajumirira abantu bonna bakubasa kuba bakozire ekikorwa eki.
Abukuba yatuletere nako mu kicweka kandi obo yatuletera ebintu byokutina kandi yatuletere kintu kyo buli muntu wena aja kugamba hakicweka cyetu yatusisire izina likicweka.
Mbabu yagaruka yajumirira abantu bonna abarikukoresa ebitokooza bwongo ekyari kugira ngo kibasa kuba nicyo kirigirireho ekikorwa eki.
Ebyo bintu bibasisire muno kandi okwijja kubasisa nicyo kikutumiriza omuntu nakora kintu ekyasobora kukora.
We thought maybe he was murdered there, but when we reached there we found that no blood, no even the footsteps of a vehicle, either of a human being, either a motorcycle.
Superintendent of Police Lukumbusa uri omugambirizi wa polisi ahabwe cyanga cya Rwenzori East yahamya makuraga.
He had a cut in the neck. Like those assailants decided to kill him either using a knife or their tongue.
Ogu yagaruka yagira ngu polisi yatandikira kuba nekoro gwayo gwo kuchondoza.
And we call upon people to be vigilant because we have some people, those who are calling themselves Gaza. It is an organized crime, but we are fighting them. As I talk, apart from this case, we have not registered any other problem in relation with the Gaza group because we have taken many to court and we are still arresting them.
Hati obo sazino ningamba buli omu wena abantu mugume ni mutahabwangu abokuba ni muhura na abantu bagambire Gaza abantu bana baliyo ni bayirabisa ni bagamba Gaza tikumanya obo bakikozire bagaza manya abantu betima manya biki tikumanya bakozere kintu ngeki barugire ngaha.
Around Kasese and outside Kasese, if you have your person who have disappeared and you don't know where he is, you can always come to Kasese police station and then we take you where the dead body is lying in the mortuary.
Omubiri gw'omugenzi gwatwara akaju k'abafu ahari Kasese Municipal Council Health Center 4 kucheberwa. Gashaka Gilbert Muhanguzi na Dan Basibi.